Unready here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my nighttime skincare routine. If you're new to my channel, I do upload every Tuesday and Friday, so please hit the notification bell below so that you are updated when I post new content. So just a disclaimer before I move on to my skincare routine, this is my elaborate skincare routine. I don't usually have the time to do this every single day, but when I actually have the time to do this, I make sure to follow this skincare routine because it just makes my skin feel supple, feels nice. I wake up next day with like clear and bright skin, and it just makes me happy in general. So again, this video is gonna be a bit longer than my usual nighttime skincare routine. So if you do want me to film a budget-friendly skincare routine or a daytime skincare routine or even like my normal nighttime skincare routine, then please comment down below and I would love to do a video for you. So without further ado, since I know that this is one of the most highly requested videos for me to film, I'm going to move on with the actual skincare routine. So first, I like to put my headband on. I'm just using this one today because I'm filming a video, but I usually have like a band that I put on my hair that is just normal, not like a headband that's like this. But I'm using this today because I'm filming and I feel like more bougie because I'm doing like a bougie skincare routine tonight. So yeah, just gonna put this on. So first things first, I'd like to remove my makeup. I'm using this Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original. I like this one because it comes with a spatula. With this one, you don't need a lot, and a little bit goes a long way. And this one dissolves my eye makeup, my lipstick, everything. So this is just how much I need. And this one smells so good too. Gotta be careful with the eyes. And then let us rinse. As you can see, my face is already super clean, but I'm gonna do a double step cleanse today. So today I'm using my favorite cleanser. This is what I talk about in my Sephora favorites video. So if you want to check that out, I'm gonna link that in the description box below. I'm also using this Luna Foreo. So this one I got in a FabFitFun box, and if you want to check out my FabFitFun unboxing video, check that out in the description down below. There's a button at the back and then you just turn it on as such. And then you wash these. And just wipe it with the same towel that you use on your face. And then the last step that I like to do when I have extra time is to exfoliate. So today I'm using the Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant with pink grapefruit and glucomannan extract. Yeah, so I'm just gonna exfoliate my face. So first you need to wet your face for a bit and then put and lather some of this, massage it for a good 1 or 2 minutes. So I just used this much. Just be patient when you're doing all these nighttime skincare routine, and you're gonna get the results in the long run. I like to massage it in my nose area because I have some blackheads in here. And then you just rinse it with warm water. Whenever I use this exfoliant, it always makes my skin feels baby soft. I also got this in my FabFitFun box. We just finished washing our face, and now we are moving on to the next step, which is to tone before I put on my sheet mask. So today I'm gonna be using my SK2 facial treatment essence. So I got this as a sample, or like a very mini size from Sephora, and I've been loving this, but man, this is so expensive. I usually don't use the cotton pad when I'm putting on my toner. I just use my hands because I don't want to waste any product. So I just added this like this, like that. Yeah, just let your skin absorb all the good stuff. I don't know what's in here. I'm not 100% fan of the smell though, but the results is amazing, so I just keep using it. So the next step in my skincare routine is using this mask from Dr. Jart. So it's the Soothing Hydro Solution Deep Hydration Sheet Mask that soothes dry skin and protect the moisture barrier. So the Water Jet Deep Hydration Sheet Mask just allows the pores to fully absorb essential nutrients and moisturizing ingredients for an ultimate hydration therapy. So it says here in the directions that you have to use this between 10 to 20 minutes. I usually like to use my masks a bit longer because I want to get all the nutrients and the ingredients that are in the mask to sink into my pores and sink into my skin as much as possible. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so it looks like this. So discard the film liner first. Yep. Ooh. Okay. So this is my first time using a Dr. Jart mask, and just by the feel of it, I just put it in my skin and I can already tell that this is very nourishing. Then if there are any remaining inside the sheet mask, I just like to grab that. This is where the good stuff is. So now that I have my face mask on, I don't know if I look super weird in the camera, but I usually like to make a tea and drink it during this time, or I read my books. So currently, I'm reading a book written by George S. Clason. It's called The Richest Man in Babylon. So this is just gonna help you, reinforce that financial knowledge that you have and things like that. Or I usually read my Bible at this time as well, and just take the 20 minutes to go through at least like a book or a few chapters here in my Bible. But today I'm going to be reading my my book because I'm almost done. So I'll see you guys in 20 minutes, and I'm going to be removing this mask at that time. Alright, so I think we're done. We're in the 20 minutes mark. So yeah, I love this book. I'm slowly getting through it and I'm learning so much. Still feels like you can even go for like a bit longer, but since it's already getting late, I'm gonna remove it and move on with my skincare routine. Maybe I'm gonna wait for the rest of my the liquid to absorb. But so far, I think it's getting glowy, which I love. So at this point, I like to use my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This smells like bubblegum, that's why I love this so much. It's nourishing and it's plumping and it's very hydrating. I don't know why I'm speaking. Whenever I use this, I always wake up with a very hydrated lips. That's why I keep on using this product. Alright, so I'm gonna wait until all of the essence has sinked into my skin. At this point, I like to use a face roller to massage those products inside my skin. Usually leave this in the fridge just so it feels cold when I'm using it. So right now it seems like almost all of the essence from the sheet mask has sinked into my skin, so I'm gonna move on to the next product. So I'm using this Murad that I got from my FabFitFun box, and this is the Rapid Collagen Infusion. So I just like to use one pump and spread it all across my face, that much. The key part with like a skincare routine is to allow each product to sink into your face before you put in a new, like another product. Also, don't forget to put some on your neck because that is also where the first signs of aging shows up. So I'm also using my favorite serum. It's the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with Hydrating Honey. So I'm using that today as well. So I usually just use one pump of this one as well. This much. And then I first spread it on my nose because that's where my blackheads are. So acids just help to remove all those blackheads because they do sink into your face. So with serums, you don't massage it on your face, you actually press it. So while I'm waiting for my serum to sink in, I usually like to put my eye cream on. So this is the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream with Echinacea Green Envy. Make sure that you're not tugging or pulling your skin in your eyes because this is a very sensitive area. So don't put moisturizer in your eyes. That's why you do your eye cream first. So once all that serum has sink in, I usually like to put my moisturizer on. And today I'm using the Drunk Elephant Rotini Polypeptide Cream. I really love the texture of this one because I didn't expect it. I thought it's gonna be too creamy, but oh my gosh, this is a very good moisturizer, you guys. I like to massage it here because I'm starting to get those smile lines and we need to hydrate them more than we usually do. So we're down to the last two products. Okay, so the second last product I'm using is this product that I've just used recently. I wish I got this during the 20% off at Sephora, but this is the Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. And this one, I used this once and I was mind blown. Oh, but this is so expensive. It's so expensive, you guys. But it does help with the appearance of my pores. I remember waking up that day with a very clear and supple skin and it was glowing. It was literally glowing. I didn't have any redness. It was so nice. It was so perfect. Like my pores shrunk a bit. I don't know if that's possible, but yeah. I wish I got this during the 20% off sale, but I'll probably pick this up during the fall sale or if there's gonna be a Sephora sale in between. So it looks like this. It's very bluish green. I think this has blue tansy which helps with the redness or if you have any inflammation. That one is the ingredient that calms your skin. So anything that has blue tansy in it is good. This one I just put it on my face and then as you massage it, it turns into this nice it turns into like a very transparent color. Whatever is remaining, I just put it in my neck area. Alright, this is a close-up of my after face. I still need to put my lash serum because I usually put that before I sleep. So this is from Lashes MD and it's an eyelash or eyebrow conditioner, but I usually use this in my eyelashes. Alright, that's it for my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have any video suggestions or if you want to see my daytime skincare routine or a more basic nighttime skincare routine that I usually do on a daily basis, then please comment down below for your suggestions. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. See you in my next video.